Hi, we're Dacotah Studio. I'm Tina and this is Shawn, and we're an LA-based design build studio. We started Dacotah Studio back in 2020 when I left my corporate job and just gave birth to our daughter, Autumn. We knew that we wanted to keep our family close and be together, and traveling was no longer an option for me.
I was a carpenter by trade, and Tina worked in the visual merchandising space, so it was a natural evolution for us to want to partner and work together.
And now that we started a family, home was more important than ever, and I knew designing commercial spaces just wasn't where my heart was.
We started our studio to focus on whole home remodels here in the Orange County and Los Angeles areas. We specialize in working with clients in developing their indoor and outdoor spaces. What makes us unique here at Dacotah Studio is that we are a white glove service. That means early on, from discovery and feasibility to pulling permits, all the way through finding vetted contractors to partner with to build your indoor-outdoor space. We partnered with Trex to be able to create a video series to show you how to design and build your outdoor space.